So I'm Larry from Moldex, the EMEA team. I'm very glad to be joined today by our partner Azad from Xnovo Technology from Denmark. So he will introduce to you the experimental result that we conduct for the fiber orientation prediction. And then I will present the rest about the series and also the latest achievement that we have. So Azad, the floor is yours.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Larry, for the nice introduction. So the outline of today's webinar is the following. I will talk a little bit about Xnovo Technology, who we are and what we are doing. Then I will present some experimental methods and optimization methods that we use to calibrate fiber model parameters. Then the word will be given back to Larry to say more about the importance of fiber orientations in simulation and what's behind Moldex3D's fiber orientation model. Then I will be given examples on how experimental and simulation results differ based on the different calibration levels. And we'll finish off with a summary and QA at the end. So I will start with the introduction of Xnovo Technology. We are the company founded in 2012. Yes, thank you, from the Technical University of Denmark. And our mission is to deliver cutting-edge imaging technologies for scientific research and industrial R&D with a special focus on quality control. So we normally collaborate with OEMs as both development partners and suppliers to ensure that innovative solutions reach our customers. We are headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, and we are very proud to be at the forefront of technological advancements in imaging field. At Xnovo Tech, we focus on providing material insight through pioneering imaging methods, such as fiber imaging solutions for fiber-reinforced composites. We also have crystallographic imaging solutions for metals and alloys. And we are also rethinking image analysis by offering automated analysis of image data from all types of modalities for faster and more accurate results. So we use classical computer vision methods, machine learning, and AI. So the next slide, you can see our fiber reinforced composites solution where we offer comprehensive imaging from different length scales. So at the component scale, we provide fiber mapping that delivers statistical data on fiber orientation, degree of anisotropy, and fiber content. For more detailed analysis, we use high-resolution imaging to examine fiber and matrix microstructure and analyze fiber orientations with great detail. This detailed imaging forms the foundation of our partnership with Scortec, Moldex3D, specifically for optimization of fiber orientations in injection molding applications.